In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove your payment method or credit card from your Steam account on a Windows PC. This process is essential if you want to keep your account secure, prevent unauthorized purchases, or if you simply need to update your payment information with a new card. Managing your financial details on Steam is a straightforward process, but it is tucked away inside your account settings. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech guides. All right, let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is open the Steam application on your Windows computer. Once the application is fully loaded and you are on the main store page or your library, look toward the very top right-hand corner of the window. There, you will see your account username right next to your profile picture and your current wallet balance. Click on your account name to open a small drop-down menu with several options. From this list, you want to select the option that says Account Details. This will take you to a new page within the Steam interface that contains all your personal information, contact info, and preferences. Once the Account Details page loads, you will see a section titled Store and Purchase History. This is the main hub for everything related to your transactions on Steam. Under this heading, look for a link that says Manage Payment Methods. This specific section is where Steam stores every credit card, PayPal account, or other payment system you have previously authorized for one-click purchasing. Go ahead and click on Manage Payment Methods now. On the next screen, Steam will display a list of all your saved cards and payment accounts. Locate the specific saved card that you want to delete from your profile. Once you have identified it, you will see a small Remove button or link located right next to the card details. Click on that Remove button. Steam might ask you for a quick confirmation to ensure you really want to delete this payment method from your account. Go ahead and confirm the action. Once you do this, your card info will be instantly wiped from the system, and it will no longer appear as an option during the checkout process the next time you try to buy a game or DLC. This is a great way to ensure your credit card information isn't sitting on an account you might share with family, or if you're worried about account security. After you have successfully removed the card, you can simply close out of the account settings or navigate back to the store. And that is all there is to it. You have successfully removed your payment method from Steam on your Windows PC. If this guide helped you out today, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to help more people find it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.